In this video, I will discuss how to convert a Revit model to the EC3 tool. You will need Revit, the Tally extension for Revit, and an EC3 tool account. Open a Revit model and make sure you have the Tally extension downloaded. On the ribbon, click on the Add-ins tab. Next, click on the Tally extension. Select the Type drop-down box. Then select Full Building Study. The next thing you'll want to do is to check the Categories box. Then check your Project box. In this case, the project is called RAC Basic Sample Project. Click Apply and Tally will bring you to a list of the different building components that are in your model. Click the drop-down arrow for floors. It will drop down and show you topics within the category. Click the drop-down arrow for timber suspended floor. Another drop-down will appear. Next, right-click on Carpet. A box will appear. Click on Edit Definition. This will take you to a material list. Under this list, find the Finishes tab and select the drop-down arrow. Now select the drop-down arrow for flooring. A list of different types of flooring will appear. Now you will need to choose the specific flooring type. Choose nylon carpet. Select Apply. Another box will pop up. This box will show the breakdown of the specific flooring type you selected. A colored dot will be shown next to the categories that need to be defined. A red dot means that the topic is undefined. A yellow dot means that the topic is somewhat defined. And a green dot means that the topic is fully defined. All dots must be green for the software to accept the information. Under the first topic, Carpet Type, select the drop-down box. A list of carpet types will appear. Choose Commercial Low Traffic Carpet, Medium Pile. Default information will fill in where applicable. Continue this process for the Underlayment category. Under Underlayment, select Underlayment Foam. Under Adhesive, select None. All of the dots should now be green. Repeat this process for all of the building components until all categories show green dots. Select Save. Once they are all green, select Save Report at the top. Another box will appear. Fill in all other needed information about the model. Once all additional information is filled in, click on the Export to EC3 in the upper right-hand corner 8. A dialog box may appear. You will then need to fill in your EC3 account login information. Your database will then export and transfer you to the EC3 software. From there, continue to fill out any more additional project information on the EC3 website. Scroll down and select the drop-down arrow for building classification and fill out any additional building information needed. Next, select the drop-down for embodied versus operating and continue to fill in information regarding the building's EUI. Look at the bottom right of the embodied versus operating section to find the building's total operating carbon intensity. This will help determine the amount of energy used by the household over a year's time. Scroll down further and select the drop-down arrow for floor area. Continue filling in information about the building's gross floor area, the floor areas above and below grade, and how many floors it has. EC3 will calculate predicted emissions based off of all the information you have provided. A good general rule is not to rely on the top or bottom values, but to try to reach the achievable target, while assuming that the conservative estimate is what will occur if no special effort is taken to get a low-carbon product. Continue scrolling down and find your list of materials that have been imported over from Tally. This is where you can see the emissions of each individual material produces. At the top of the material list, there are 5 options for different ways to export your information. Play around with the EC3 tool. It is a great tool for learning about a design or materials within a design. Explore all there is to the EC3 tool. For more guidance, visit buildingtransparency.org and find the EC3 user guide.